Welcome back, Future Medicos. Today, MCC is starting round 2 counseling. The registration is open now for round 2 candidates. In case if you have not registered earlier for round 1, now you have an option, you can do a fresh registration. If you have already registered in round 1 and if you have participated in round 1 counseling, you can just log in and start choice filling. The choice filling facility is still not available, but it is expected to be available very soon. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to discuss about how many seats are actually available for round 2. So MCC has also released the seat matrix for round 2. So I'm going to discuss that in this video. Now, if you look at the MBBS seats available, the first category, the seats available in AIIMS institutes. You can see that there are about 581 seats vacant for round 2. So these are the seats that are not filled after round 1 and they are left vacant. Either because the candidates who got the seats, they have not joined, or maybe they have joined and then subsequently they have resigned, or maybe sometimes their admissions has been cancelled due to some reasons. So now for a second round, 581 seats are available. And the category wise is shown. For example, general category, there are 217 seats available. For OBC candidates, 180 seats available. For SC candidates, 62 seats available. For ST candidates, 35 seats available. And in addition, you also have EWS category, which has 50 seats plus the physically handicapped candidates. So totally we have 581 seats available for round 2. Then All India quota, that is the 15% All India quota seats available in government colleges. There are about 3,587 seats available. Quite a lot of numbers. And particularly for general category, that is unreserved category, we have about 2,669 seats. That is the bulk of the seats. And then SC candidates have 516, ST have 222. So those are the major categories in which seats are available. Aligarh Muslim University internal, there are 2 seats are available. This only for certain candidates. All India candidates cannot apply for this. NRI seats under Aligarh Muslim University, again 2 seats are available. Aligarh Muslim University open seats. For this, anyone can apply. So there are 22 seats available. So All India candidates can apply for AIIMS, can apply for All India category, can apply for AMU open. They can also apply for Banaras Hindu University open seats. There are 13 seats available under Banaras Hindu University open. CW, this is mainly for Delhi candidates. There are 8 seats available. DU, Delhi University internal, there are 25 seats available. Once again, this is only for Delhi candidates. IP University, that is Indraprastha University, there are 14 seats available. Once again, this is only for Delhi residents. So CW, DU internal, IP University, these are mainly for Delhi candidates. ESI category, ESI or IP category, insured persons category. In round 1, these seats were not offered. Now they have offered about 383 seats under ESI category. So if you have ESI category, if you have registered for ESI, then you can participate for these 383 seats. JIPMER internal, this is only for Puducherry residents. There are about 33 seats vacant for Puducherry candidates. JIPMER NRI, there are 2 seats vacant. JIPMER open, which is open for all India candidates, there are 50 seats available. Management seats, that is mainly the seats available under management category or paid category in deemed universities. So deemed universities have about 2,302 MBBS seats available. Jain minority, this again Jain minority comes under deemed university in Gujarat. There are about 11 seats available. Muslim minority, there are about 25 seats available. There are 2 deemed universities that offer Muslim minority seats. Hamdard University, and then Enipoya University in Karnataka. These two universities offer Muslim minority, and there are about 25 seats available. And finally, the NRI category seats in deemed universities, there are 1056 seats available. Quite a number of seats vacant for NRI category. So if we look at the total count for MBBS comes to 8,116 seats. And particularly if you are unreserved or general category, there are about 6,488 seats. But you need to look at which category you are interested, because some seats may not be available for everyone. So look at exactly which category you are interested, and then accordingly you can start filling the choices. Now for BDS, there are about 2,421 seats vacant. Okay, you can look at the details. I've not provided the details for BDS, but there are 2,421 seats vacant. And if you look at the total count, MBBS 8,116, BDS 2,421, totally there are about 10,537 seats available. And these are the seats that will be filled in round 2. I hope that information is useful to you. If you have any further questions about MCC round 2, please leave your comments and I will try to address them. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.